Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Sensei Cut It Up, back once again. I know it's been a long time, a real long time, but it's a brand new season, whole new load of BS. So today, my plan is to take out my back seat and replace my speaker wire. Now, I don't know if some of y'all might remember in the Lexus forums, if you guys are in those or whatever the case is, but I had a rat get in my car and chew my wires up, chewed my wire harness, chewed my speaker cable, and my lights don't work anymore. So at this point in time, I just want to take care of this most simple issue, which is getting the speaker cable rerouted. So I'm gonna show you how to do it real quick. Shouldn't take us more than hopefully 20 minutes. All right, so I got my back seat out already, but I'm pretty sure you can watch other videos and other shit. Excuse my language. But here's the situation. So the seat right there, the bottom part is connected, and it goes into these little clips right here. All you got to do is pull up on the seat, like pop one side, pop up the other side, and then you'll be able to pull it out. That's the easiest part. Now, typically I have my my power tools with me, but not today because I'm out of town. And then let's just get straight to the point. Freak all this BS talking. So you're gonna have a screw here. There's gonna be a screw on that side, over there, and another screw on that side. I think this is a 14. Yeah, yep, that's a 14. This is a 4. No, that is not a 14. That looked probably like a 17 or something. I have to figure that out in a second. All this other stuff don't even mess with it. Yeah, this car is a mess, man. This is what happens when you buy used vehicles and stuff. But yeah, so I'm gonna take out this one here. Already got that out. About to pull this one, that one over there, and we'll be back in a minute. All right, so it looks like I got a little pretty simple fix here. My situation, that purple cable right there is the power cable that was previously in the vehicle, which comes up underneath this here side liner. So I'm gonna go ahead pull that out in a minute here. And actually, matter of fact, let me just go ahead and pull that right there. Let me pull it right now. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Charlie. Let's see what happens here. I'm gonna pull this liner down. If I can finesse this shit up out here. Yeah. I gotta shake your hands. Shake your hands. Sorry about the lighting. I know it's gonna be hard to see. But if you look back there, there's a purple wire. I know that angle is crazy, y'all. I apologize. But there's a purple wire right there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attach the new one onto there. And hopefully it'll be good and attached enough to pull it the length of the vehicle. So let's go ahead and try that. So fortunately for me, guys, in the front here, seems like the person who had wired it beforehand cut like a little wee hole right there next to the this wheel well harness. If y'all been working with your Lexus, you know what I'm talking about. And before you drop your car, trust me, you want to move that into the firewall, but or not firewall, but engine bay. You know what I'm talking about. So down here, there's a little hole in mine. I don't know why it's there. I don't know if they cut it or who did, but some people run theirs through here. I wouldn't suggest doing that because if you're going low like me, it's definitely going to chew shit up. But right here, inside that hole, I'm going to run it straight from the engine bay, link it up here to this sucker. It's going to come back to the battery, but we'll deal with that later. On the inside of the car, I don't know if you can see it. It's going to be tight. I don't know if you can see it. But right there. All right, so that is where the other hole, the hole opens up to. All right, so I ran the cable. It's up underneath there. It's coming out here. It's the brand new red one. Now, I don't even know if I need to tape this off, but I think I'm just gonna run it up through that little corner hole and call it a day. That's the way mine is set up, so we'll see what happens. You feel me? All right, so I pulled it through. That took about like 10 seconds. Now I got some weird connector here, so I'm gonna go to the store and try to figure this issue out. Yeah, it connects to my regular amp back here. So hopefully I can make it over before they close at 6. All right, so I got everything lined up. Everything's back underneath this here cover, and I have wood behind here, so you know, hopefully that'll change sound up a little bit, but I don't fucking know what I'm talking about. Got the wires running through here. It's a really shitty setup right now. Car's a wreck. Still working on it, but everything's lined up down here. All the wires. New power wire running over. Now that's done. Let's go to the front real quick. Hook this bad boy up. Hopefully we'll get the desired results. I'm not pushing anybody's brand. It just so happened to be the brand that came with the car. Like this. So we can get some power. It's gonna be nice to be listening to music in my car again. I'm just saying. So greasy. This shit's ugly. But that don't mean she won't get the job done. Anyway, before my phone dies, let me go ahead on that power back to the amp. We back.